Just want to show you a wonder. Come. See this fella? Yeah. The funny thing is, this fellow will see me like, coming out of that lift. This fellow will come running straight away, mostly in the afternoon, it will come inside. Okay. If I don't care for that fellow will go stand there and he will be awaiting me when I'll open the door. The moment I open the door, this bugger will come running. I always wanted to name this fellow something, Joey. I don't know if it's Joey or Joel. And presently there is also a topic going on in apartments and all, wherein people say like, it's not good having these pigeons and all around. That will, pose some problems, health problems to the residents also. That is the reason, nowadays you don't find many people feeding these buggers like they used to. Previously, people used to go to certain places in spots wherein they used to go ahead and feed these people. Now they're not doing that. Okay? Just because they think like some bird flus and all will affect them. But if that is the case, recently we had a pandemic wherein we stopped trusting people also, is it? That doesn't mean we'll not trust people forever. It's a period of time wherein something goes wrong, until it is corrected. So in the same way, even I am aware that there might be some problem because of these people to human beings. But at the same time, you cannot ignore the trust and love that these people give you, is it? Come here. But summer's coming, trust these people, feed them if you can, or at least give them a pint of water for them to drink, okay? Thank you.